Let me tell you a little bit about Alliance BT smartphone enabled lighting fixtures. On these fixtures, any color temperature that you want, from a 2700 degree halogen up to a 4000K LED look. So you can change these fixtures with your smartphone. Each and every fixture that's Bluetooth enabled, you can change it from your smartphone. On the color spectrum, this is another question I get asked all the time. Bob, what if I want to change something to a teal or a red to bring out more of the natural hue out of a flower or a tree? You can do this with the smart enabled fixture. So if you want to control each fixture, or you want to make it as a scene, you know, if you have 20 fixtures in the front of your home and you want to make them all red, white, and blue for the 4th of July holiday, or red and green for the Christmas holiday, you can do each fixture. Maybe you want to do part of your scene, or you want to change everything, you can do this with this smartphone enabled fixture. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and or call our office for any of your landscape lighting needs at 410-721-2342. If you have any questions, you want a free lighting demo, give us a call at the office at 410-721-2342. You hit the link below for more information, and we'll talk to you soon.